back to my channel, and this is Beverly. Today guys, hindi tayo magluluto, kundi gagawa tayo ng green smoothie. So what are green smoothie? Green smoothie recipes are a great way to eat more veggies and to help you feel and look better fast. So it's a blended drink that mainly contains vegetables, greens, or fruits, or a combination of both. So they are easy to flush your body toxins and get lots of healthy nutrients and lose weight fast. So if you want to lose weight fast, try your own version of green smoothie. So what are the green smoothie benefits? Because green smoothies contain all the edible parts of the plant, not just the juice. They are healthier than fruit or vegetable juices. So did you know when juices are extracted from fruit or vegetables, the fiber portion of the plant is removed? So green smoothies also contains a large amount of water, which helps boost our metabolism. This is easy to make, guys. You don't need any special equipment, just a regular blender, or I have this one, guys. This is from BMF. My husband bought this for me. So this is just so easy to make. It is also cheap if you make them at home. So how to make a green smoothie? Trying making your own recipe. So I will make my own recipe. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post a video. So let's start, guys. So these are my ingredients. I have cucumber, I have kiwi, I have 1 pear, celery, and half of green apple. Kinain ko yung half kanina. And I have also almond milk and water and my spinach. So let's start. Just have to slice into small pieces and put all here. Gagawa pa tayo mamaya ng isa pa. Gusto ko ito na pear. And lalagyan ko rin siya ng thyme. Lalagyan ko siya ng konting thyme. And almond milk. 3/4 cup of almond milk and konting water. Konti lang.
So, yung araw dito. Yung araw. Here.
guys our green smoothie. Cheers for a healthy living. Sarap guys. Ang cucumber is a little of thyme. Malasahan mo siya. And pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng honey if you want or a little of sugar. So sa akin, okay na ito ng sugar or honey. Sarap guys. Try it. Highly recommend it. Cheers! So the next one, I will be making another smoothie para malagay ko siya sa ref for my tomorrow's drink. So let's make another one.
Kiwi. This is another kind of kiwi. This is golden kiwi.
Pwede nyo rin siyang lagyan ng sesame seeds. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung thyme. Thyme is good for your lungs. Ayan, and i-blend siya ulit. Cheers! Sarap. Tikman natin yung isa, yung bago. Medyo sour siya pero masarap pa rin kasi nilagyan natin siya ng kiwi. But super sarap guys. And very healthy. Huwag kayong mamili ng junk foods. Try smoothie. Sarap. Ubos.
Delicious.
Delicious. Ang liit po. Try your own version and comment down below. See you on my next video. Ciao!
Through the fields of our paths, feelings caught our ways, keeping us close, but it's strange now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, recalling it backwards, our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. And you are shades of grey, living day to day. Even when we're free, it's true. The difference is the same.